All right, Kiwi Club members, how are you? Okay, so in this kit, you may know already, but if not, you do get a travel doodle sheet. What is a doodle sheet? Well, a doodle sheet is where you can either just take a regular fine point pen, um, whatever color you want. Of course, black is pretty neutral across the board, can be used for anything, but I'm sure you have a fine point pen somewhere on hand and you can basically trace these designs onto different little creations of yours. And I'm gonna show you various different ways, all centered around this doodle sheet. There's also some fun other ways that you can use them. You could maybe take an ink pad and ink right over the area that you want and transfer it onto your paper that you want to use. I'm going to be showing you guys some modeling paste and one of the other creations that I'll be working on, and just fun different ways. So on this sheet, on this little sheet that you get here, lots of fun designs. You could do this little, I guess, trace line behind the car, behind the plane. You have a lot of arrows for journaling purposes. Say you wanted to just create this journaling card to be unique and one of your own. You can add little doodles onto this along with it to kind of customize it for your needs and your desires. You could do the car down at the bottom, and like I said, maybe have that coming behind it. Lots of fun ways that you can use this. You can doodle this right on here. If you're not sure about a design, so I was just going to show you, if you wanted something like that, then feel free to trace it first with the pencil, because then you can erase it, right? So you can kind of see what it looks like, and then you could move forward using whatever other elements that you want it to be final in. Now, I wanted to share with you guys this first little thing that I'm planning on doing, and that is to use these buildings right here. You'll see the buildings, you can trace them out, and then there's these little windows. But again, you can use it as a doodle sheet or a stencil. So a stencil purpose would be where you would take a scrap of paper or whatever piece of paper that you want to trace these out. And in this case, I want to put it on the yellow. So I'm just going to line it up right on the edge of that paper. And I'm going to actually trace the design out and cut it. So instead of doodling it on to an element, so like in this case over here, I decided to do the buildings across, just to add an extra little design element to this. And so I just lined that up and then traced it with the pencil. So I doodled on top of, and also want to use them as stencils. So what I'm going to do is, like I showed you, trace it on, and then I'm going to cut these little buildings out. And then once I cut a few out, you can also add the windows. And so that's what these are for. So in this case, for this little accessory element that I want to create here to add to my layout, I'm going to use it as a stencil, and I'm going to also use it as a doodling sheet. So using it for both purposes that you can use these for. They're a lot of fun. We also have some other doodle sheets in the shop if you haven't had time to check those out yet or to play with those. They're a lot of fun addition to add to your other designer templates for the very purposes which I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, so that moved a little, so learn from me. We want to make sure we place it and then just push down. I would say make sure you're holding it down with your hand as you trace so it doesn't move. And again, I'm just adding those windows to my little building that I'm making here. I think I might do another set of windows underneath that. So I'm just going to pick it up, move it down, and add another set of windows really fast. And like I said, I was going to add a couple buildings kind of like to the side here, and I'll probably do this other building and this one and then collage them together, and then add some pop-up because I love pop-up. especially for little elements like this. I think you'll probably find pop-up really handy with this kit because there's a lot of, you know, designing on top of other elements, not only because of the doodle sheets, but these other fun pieces that I'm so excited to play with. So I'm just getting started, but I'll share with you more as I go along.